how to fix washout camera colors on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select the settings. Then from the all settings list, let me select the camera. Sometimes you need to swipe to the left to find the camera settings. Then from camera, I'll choose the display settings. And here we've got some brightness, contrast, tint settings, but also the color. So this option controls the overall color saturation of the video feed. Turning it up makes the greens of the grass and the yellows of the parking lines much more vibrant and saturated, while turning it down makes the image more muted or closer to black and white. So you can decide which of those settings are the best for you. You can make it higher or lower. I think in my case the medium level is the best. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.